Today we will learn about the different biomes in South Africa and why they are important. A biome is a large natural area. It has its own climate, plants, and animals. A biome contains many ecosystems with similar conditions. Examples include forests, deserts, grasslands, and the savanna. Biomes support biodiversity. That means many plants and many different animals that live there. They provide clean air, water, and food. People and wildlife live in biomes. They help to keep the earth balanced. Let's start with the savanna biome. You can mostly find it in the northeast of South Africa, in places like Limpopo and Mpumalanga. The savanna is warm and has summer rains. The vegetation is mainly grasses with scattered trees, like the acacia tree. It's also home to big animals like elephants, lions, giraffes, and zebras. So, it's a place where both grass and large animals thrive. Next, the grassland biome, which is mostly in the Highveld area, such as Gauteng and the Free State. This biome has summer rains and cold winters. Unlike the savanna, there are mostly grasses and very few trees. Many animals live here too, like the black wildebeest, springbok, and lots of birds. Grasslands are very important for grazing animals. Now, the forest biome. You can find forests scattered along the east coastal area. The climate here is warm and moist, with high rainfall. The trees grow tall and form a dense canopy. The forests are full of life, including the Samgona monkeys, many birds, and many different insects. It's very rich in green environment, perfect for animals that needs lots of shelter. Moving to the fynbos biome, which is unique to the Western Cape. It has a Mediterranean climate, meaning wet winters and dry summers. The vegetation here is mostly shrubs with beautiful plants like proteas and the ericas. You can also find animals like the Cape sugarbird, the tortoises, and small mammals. Fynbos is very special because it's home to many plants and won't find it anywhere else. Next is the desert biome, which is found in the Northern Cape in areas like the Namib Desert. Deserts are very dry and temperatures can be extreme. Plants and animals here have to survive with very little water. Despite the harsh conditions, life still exists in the desert biome, showing how adaptable nature can really be. Humans have a big impact on biomes, both on good and bad. On the negative side, we destroy habitats and pollute the environment. On the positive side, we can protect biomes through conservation and sustainable use. This shows that what we do really matters for the health of our natural areas. So, how can we protect the biomes? First, we can use land responsibly and avoid destroying natural habitats. We can reduce pollution, protect endangered species, and support conservation programs. Every small action helps, and together we can make a big difference in the environment. To summarize biomes are important life zones. South Africa has 8 main biomes, each with its own climate, plants, and animals. Humans can impact the biomes in both positive and in negative ways. It's our responsibility to take care of God's creations and protect these amazing environments so that plants, animals, and people can live and thrive. Thank you for paying attention, and I hope you've learned something valuable today. I hope to see you next time.